Happy Tuesday, y'all. It's Mr. Klausner here, sitting in my desk, and just want to share with you what we got going on for this Tuesday and the Wednesday for you online learners. We'll also have that meeting, which I'll talk about just here in a moment. Let me load up my screen. You can see it now. It's April 13th and 14th. It's the B day on Tuesday, the C schedule on Wednesday, the budget projects in class. Online, those are due on Friday, the budget projects and the country profiles. Online meeting, again, Wednesday at 12:25, Friday at 11 a.m. Please join. It's great to catch up, and you guys need to check in with me as well. This week, it's homecoming week, so those of you that are in person can see that. We got a lot of birthdays, Freckle Champ, quote of the week there from It's a Wonderful Life. And then the homework this week is just two things, Harry Potter and then one Freckle assignment. So what are we doing in class today? Well, it's the optional budget analysis country profile presentations, stretching, and then we'll do a new lesson called I will be able to solve inequalities. And then there'll be 10 minutes of classwork, which is page 501, 1 through 10. I'll post that, and those of you online need to complete that and send it back to me. Why is my hair so crazy? 10 minutes, we'll play a game at the end and clean up. So there's that. So this is an example of the inequalities. So that's our objective, solve inequalities. Inequalities is exactly that. It's not equal. So there is no equal sign. So we have a greater than, a less than, we have less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to signs. So that's what we're working with today. So here's some examples. Let's check out this example here. X, which is a number we don't know yet, plus 7 is greater than 4. Notice how I say that. The alligator wants to eat the bigger number. So what I have to do is treat it just like an algebraic equation and get the x by itself. We call that isolating the variable. To do that, I'm going to use the opposite operation. So I'm adding 7 up top, so I'm going to subtract 7. That's the inverse operation. So now I have x plus 7 minus 7, which is going to be 0, so that's all going to cancel. But then the right side, I also do the minus 7. I get 4 minus 7. So I bring down our answers. I have x all by itself on the left is greater than negative 3. So then I would plot that by going to my number line, and I have negative 3. I draw a big circle around negative 3, and because x is greater than that, it's going to go to the right. So then I would draw a line indicating that x is a number greater than negative 3, and it's all those numbers. It could be 5, it could be 1 million, it could be negative 2. It's just a number that's greater than negative 3. There are some rules for this. So check this out. Make sure that the same changes to both sides of the inequality. Remember, we minus 7 on the left, do it on the right. Isolate the variable, combine like terms like we've been learning. Use the inverse operation to remove clutter away from the variable. This is really important, but if your inverse operation is multiplication or division by a negative number, the inequality sign reverses. So this is really important. So if, let's say, we had negative 2x and I divide it by negative 2x, I divide negative 2, whatever I do to that other side, is that sign's going to flip, okay? So that's really important, and we'll practice that. We won't get into that actually much today, but just good to know. So here's the example that I'm going to show in class. X plus 3 is greater than 10. So what I do is solve just like an algebraic equation, opposite inverse operation, isolate the variable, solve and check. Subtract 3 from both sides, so I get x plus 3 minus 3, which is going to be x, and then I do 10 minus 3, so x is greater than 7. If I were to graph it, I draw an open circle around 7 and a line to the right indicating that all those numbers that are greater than 7 are solving this inequality, and that's our objective. Okay, we have these 10 practice problems, 1 through 10. Go ahead and solve those, gentlemen, online. And then if you finish that, you can go above and beyond and do 19 through 24. Okay, that's all I got for you. I hope, I'm just clicking through the wrong stuff here. So that's all I got for you. Have a great week. I will see you all very soon. I'll see you online tomorrow, Wednesday, and let's have a great homecoming week. See you guys. Bye-bye.